Hi. It is Jamie, and I'm here with Tin Box 21. We have some really cool things in here today. This is actually requested by Miss Pauline. She picked out these goodies. I'm going to kick it off with some freshwater pearls. So, Jason and I got these many years ago. I'm talking like probably 20 years ago. And this is when these little pearls with crystals channel set and then were super popular. We had these in, oh my God, a lot of colors, sizes, and with crystals. And we still have this one, this cutie right here. So it's about 6 millimeters and it has little crystals set into the channel, a little bit of sparkle for your fall. Very cute. If you find those in other colors, I remember there was an aqua one that we had that was so cute. But again, that was like 20 years ago. Okay, next up. In the spirit of brown fall, I have some Smoky Quartz. These are $5 each. And you know what I'm going to do for you is pair them. Because as you can see, they're all different sizes. They came off of one strand. And they have facets on them. So if this is something you're interested in, when you do order them, put in the notes if you want a smaller one or a larger one. The smaller ones are about 14 millimeters, and the larger ones are about, and I say about because it's a graduated strand, maybe like 16 millimeters in height. And so if you want a matched pair, tell me and I will match it for you. They're so nice and thick and rich colored. Woo, so pretty. They're like chocolate drops. There's some smoky quartz. And one of my favorites, it is Peridot. This is Peridot from the US. And they are just so lovely. They look like little Jolly Rancher candies. Very nice, big, chunky Peridot. Look at the body. You can see all that color. Delicious. So it is a rondelle, but it is kind of a chubbier rondelle. You can just wear one. Oh my God. And it has such a statement with this. So this is a Peridot large. And let me just give you a size so you can see. They are 10 millimeters. I love them. And then another Pauline choice is these Aquamarine. I'm so like thrilled with them. They have rainbow on the pieces. If you can see them, the way that it's shining. Depending on how I shoot them, oh my gosh, the rainbow pops on that surface. But look where the hole is. So you can be super creative with this piece of aqua. I have a heart headpin in there. If that's something you're interested in, let me know. Would be like an awesome like focal necklace, ring, bracelet. Wow. So I have 3 of those. I do have them in a smaller size. So if that is something that you think you'd like smaller, you can always give us a holler. Give us a holler for something smaller. Then I have, last but not least, blue topaz. Old stock for us. Probably like, oh my God, maybe like 10, definitely over 10 years. So it's quite closer to like when we were at Ward. So that's going on like 20 years. I haven't had something this large and chunky, smooth. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So this is blue topaz. If you are a November baby, this is a wonderful birthstone for you. You're an August baby, this is a great birthstone for you, the Peridot. If you are a March baby and an aquamarine, a June baby, you might like some pearls. Wow, I didn't realize that so many birthstones in this show. Okay, have a grand weekend. I hope you spend time being creative, super happy, and very just entrenched in your joy. Okay, sending you some love and aloha. Bye bye.